Doon lang tayo sa tampering of license plates kasi medyo talamak ngayon ito because of the color coding or the odd even scheme. Yung iba, lipat-lipat ng plaka, pinagpapalit, or yung iba, yung conduction plate ang ginagamit. Dito sa Land Transportation Act, ang Section 12, ay nagpro-provide na erasing, tampering, forging, imitating, covering, concealing a number plate of a vehicle is punishable by a fine of 50,000 pesos to 100,000 pesos. So napakalaki ng penalty dito, no? 50,000 pesos to 100,000 pesos. This is provided for by Republic Act 11235. And if you are using a temporary plate, alam naman natin na ngayon may backlog ang delivery ng LTO sa plaka. So ang ginagawa natin, nagpapagawa tayo ng plastic o kaya nagpapagawa tayo ng metal temporary plate. Kailangan po ng authorization ng Department of Transportation and Railways dito. Bago ka gumamit ng temporary plate, you should have an authorization. Otherwise, you will be liable under this section of the Land Transportation Act. Ano ang usual rason na pwede mong sabihin sa DOTR? Yun, wala pa naman yung regular plate or yung old plate mo sira or hindi na mabasa or hindi na magamit. But still, you need to write a letter to DOTR and they will issue you a temporary permit to use improvised plate.